Hello, today we are making delicious Oha Soup. Oha Soup is from the eastern part of Nigeria. It's a delicacy enjoyed by everyone. Let's prep the ingredients for the soup. I'm shredding my Uziza leaves. Here I'm picking my Oha leaves. Let's pick the Oha leaves. Okay, right here, we have prepared everything to make the soup. Every ingredient to make the soup. Here I have everything. I go in with my beef, the Ponmo, which is the cow skin. Then go in with my stock fish. I have already parboiled the meat, the stock fish and the cow skin to be soft. But here I'm going to cook it for like 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Add 1 seasoning cube to make it have taste. And I'll add little salt to it, just a little salt to it. I will let it boil for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Cover to boil. When it boils, give it a stir. Then I'll add the quantity of water I need to cook the main soup. Yes. Cover, allow the water to boil. Here I've already added my pepper. I've added my pepper, crayfish, and my smoked fish, my smoked dried fish, dried smoked fish, catfish. Allow to boil once again. Yes, add another type of smoked fish here. Yes, adding another type. Then I'll add 2 more seasoning cubes for more taste. 2 more seasoning cubes only. Then here the game changer is here, the Ogiri, the locust beans paste, fermented locust bean paste. Fermented, it's like probiotics. It adds more taste, more flavor to your Oha soup. How can you make Oha soup without Ogiri? It doesn't go. So I love the Ogiri. I will add my red oil. My palm oil goes in here. I will just give it a stir. After adding the palm oil, I will stir it so that the Ogiri will spread in the soup. Spread inside, and I'll cover. Let's cover it to boil for some time. A little while, you add your thickener. This thickener will thicken the soup a little bit, just a little bit. I'm using cocoyam powder to thicken. Cocoyam powder to thicken just a little. I don't like my Oha soup being too thick. I like it very light, not too runny and not too thick. Here I'm adding my periwinkles. I add another type of periwinkles, which is called umami. That's a species of water snail, very delicious and nutritious. Try it, you will love it. With my Oha soup, I love periwinkles. So let's just cover, allow to boil for some time. Then we add the shredded Uziza leaves. Add my Uziza leaves. Uziza leaves will give it a kind of aroma, taste, and flavor. It gives your Oha soup flavor. Your Oha soup brings it to another level. Give it a stir. Then time for the main Oha. This is the Oha leaves. This is time to add the Oha leaves. You add the Oha leaves last. That's the last thing to add to the soup, the Oha leaves. So when you add your Oha leaves, you give it a stir, but don't allow it to overcook. I don't allow my Oha soup to cook for too long, because I like when I chew on them while eating the soup, I will feel a kind of crunchiness. I don't allow the leaves to overcook. Don't allow your Oha leaves to overcook. That's the way to enjoy your Oha soup. Now, Oha is souping. Oha soup is souping. The soup is coming together. Soup is cooked. Our soup is done. Get your plates. This Oha soup can be paired with any type of swallow, any swallow of your choice. gari, fufu, pondo. Today, I'm pairing mine with eba. Eba. That's what I'm using to enjoy this delicious Oha soup. I hope you like it. I hope you're going to make yours. Try it and enjoy. Here is mine. I'm dishing out mine to enjoy too. Bye.